Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we are looking at the IPC section 84, and this is also known as the Meg-Norton rule. So in simpler terms, what it means is that in case of a mental instability, the individual is not considered to have committed the crime. So he does not fall under legal terms for the crime. So now let's know the actual definitions. So in terms of Meg-Norton's rule, it basically means a criminal responsibility of the insane. Criminal responsibility of the insane. So it states that an accused is not criminally responsible if he is suffering from. So he can be suffering from. There is a defect of reason and unsoundness of mind. There is a defect. There is a defect of reason and unsoundness. There is a defect of reason and unsoundness. This is of the mind. So the law recognizes only those diseases which impair the thinking abilities of the mind. So whichever deals with the thinking ability. So where the thinking is impaired, and so not all medically insane people are legally insane. As emotional disturbances, so another point to note is that not all medically insane people are legally insane. So not all medically insane is equal to legally insane. So what is meant is, even if you are medically insane, you may not be legally insane. So as emotional disturbance that affect the mind are not considered if they do not directly affect the cognition. So if it is not directly affecting the cognition, it cannot be considered as a legally insane. So do not directly affect cognition. So do not directly affect the cognition. So next we are looking at another point, that is that he did not know the nature and the quality of the act he is doing. So he did not know the nature and the quality of the act. Quality of the act. So the law needs the unsoundness of mind to exist at the time of the act. So the law needs the unsoundness of mind to exist at the time of the act to such a degree that the person is not aware of what he is doing and whether it is right or wrong to do. Absence of a motive or a forethought is also considered as a criteria for So the absence of motive. So there is absence of motive as well as forethought is also considered as a criteria. So in case there is no motive, there is no forethought, it is considered as a criteria for determining the unsoundness of the mind. So this was about the IPC section 84, that is a Meg-Norton's rule. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.